Oh, wait. We have to do our lemon challenge.
Lemon challenge, yes we do.
Okay, let me get the lemon, the knife, and a little bit of money, because I think I'm gonna grimace when I eat my lemon.
All right, I got this. I'm stone-faced.
Oh, God. All right, be right back.
All right.
I got us into this.
The lemon challenge.
Dr. Tolin, Dorothy the Organizer from?
Hoarders.
Yeah, here we are, ready to take the lemon challenge. Here's what you need to know. We're supporting the lemon challenge this September to fund research for kids fighting cancer. You read the next sentence.
You bite into a lemon, and if you make a face, you go online to www.thelemonchallenge.org and make a donation.
My turn. Here it goes. Oh, we bite into the lemon now.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
I got this.
Shh. Oh, you! Dang.
Delicious.
Dang!
You know what? I'm gonna donate anyway.
I'll tell you what, Marty. Can you hold my phone?
I can.
My lemon? This is what happens when you grimace. Hey, but it's really good to do. Take care of those kids. Take care of everybody who's sick, okay? First of all, are you still sucking on the lemon?
I'm still sucking on the lemon. It's delicious. I got no problem with that.
Okay, I'm loving you for this.
You want to know who I'm curious as to whether he can do it or not?
Oh, we need to nominate somebody.
Yep.
Who?
Matt Paxton.
Bring it on, Paxton. It's a good one.
Yeah.
My name is Marty. I'm with Dorothy the Organizer today, and we're supporting the lemon challenge. I'm going to bite into a lemon, and if I can do it without making a face, I'm great. But if I do make a funny face, I'm going to donate money to the www.thelemonchallenge.org
Yeah.
to help children with cancer.
It's strong against cancer. That's what it's all about.
It's strong against cancer. Lemon strong.
Honey. Don't embarrass me. But wait. You're gonna need to donate.
Oh yeah,
What you got?
I got money. I got plenty of that.
He's got something somewhere.
Here we go. $20. Donate it.
And he's choking. Way to go, Marty.
Excellent.